Kimberly Olson here, also known as the Goal Digger Girl. If you have been following along, we are doing a Claude tutorial series. I'm breaking down Claude in bite-sized steps so you can start using it and implementing it. I don't want you watching all these videos and just being smarter. I do want you to go through them so you can independently go through this one or go back and watch the ones that we recently dropped all about Claude. I also, the very first one shows you the difference between ChatGPT and Claude. Spoiler alert, you're probably going to end up still using both, but Claude is light years ahead of what I'm seeing with ChatGPT. So I think for all of you watching, this would be a smart move to implement Claude. So the first thing is we are going to do a social media content planner automatically. I'm going to do Asana. I know a lot of you don't use Asana. However, it is very similar to Trello or Notion. So if you use any of those or even a Google spreadsheet, we're going to do a board view so we can see all of our content. But I want to show you how you can use Claude to figure out your content strategy. I'm sure you have all of these ideas swirling around, and it can actually log in. It's logged into my Asana. So for you, it could be logged into your Google Sheets, and it can build it out for you. So you can have all your captions by day with your content strategy in place, all automated. Because I know with ChatGPT, it's great at coming up with the content, but then you have to copy and paste it over. The formatting breaks and it's just a hot mess, right? So we really want to be able to automate all of this. So going up, if you watch my other videos, I'm showing you a brand called Texas Trailblazers that I'm helping build out. So this is great because you can see from, you know, a newer situation where I don't already have it built out what that looks like. So what I want you to do is I want you to pull up, go into your projects over here, and I want you to pick one that already has some intel on your brand. So just go in your projects, and once you're in there, you can start a new chat. You can also just start a chat and you can click the three dots and move it into a project, which I put it in this one. And I want you to use the voice memo button, and I want you to tell it all of your ideas. So I have this brand, here are some ideas for content. Here's stuff I've already done. Here's stuff that I want to do. These are the platforms I want to be on. This is, you know, I'm really open if you have any ideas of any other, you know, any other type of content I should incorporate. Make sure it knows that you're building a personal brand because you don't want it to be about your products. You can work in your products and your offers, but you really want to build a personal brand. And then I recommend 5 content pillars. Okay. We teach you how to do this inside of our program. So if you're not in our programs, why not send us a DM at the Goal Digger Girl, GOAL, and just say, hey, I watched your video. How do I get in your programs? I want to learn how to do this. I want to learn how to monetize my brand. Okay. So I just did the word vomited everything that I wanted to do. It was showing me that softball is a great niche to be in because it's absolutely growing. And then it has the content strategy here. Okay. So it has my buckets. This one came up with 7. Let's see, YouTube. Okay. So this is basically it. So I'm going to tell it, what I actually want to do is I want to do, we'll just leave it as is. So I personally tweaked this. So I would tell it, hey, here are the tweaks that I made because I made some notes here. Let's pretend we like it. It came up with 7 content pillars, okay, or 7 buckets. So we like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is say, can you take this info and build out a social media content planner for me in Asana for the next 30 days? I also do recommend that you give it some keywords to incorporate. So keywords can be open, to attend an open practice, clinic, or clinic details, list to get our summer reading. I'm just doing this so you can see a demo. To give an example, you need to give it some keywords to incorporate in the caption to generate leads. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause because I'm assuming it's going to take a second to figure this all out, and then we'll go from there. I want to first show you what it said in Claude, and then we're going to go to Asana. So it said, let me get your Asana workspace set up, building this out. Okay, your 30-day content planner is live. I did nothing. I did not go into Asana. It built this whole project out, everything without me actually going into Asana. Just so you know, I hit the pause button and I sat here. And then it shows you, okay, this is what it did. So now we are going to switch over to Asana so I can show you what it came up with. Go over here. Okay, let me do that real quick. Hold on. As you can see, it has a full project built out, but I want to show you what's so powerful about this. So what I love about Asana, it is free. And if you do have VAs that work for you, it does a great job of letting you assign tasks to them. I'm obsessed. Okay. It's the best. And so you can do board view if you like things that look like Trello or Notion. So this is what it did. It built it out into a calendar, which is fabulous. And then let me show you what it looks like. So you click on it. We have an Asana tutorial on this channel. So just go to where our videos are and search Asana and it should come up. All right, so what it did, it says drill video, catching footwork fundamentals, platform, where to post it, owner, bucket, format, content, catching footwork for throws, and then caption hook, and then CTA. How amazing is that? And then what you can do is if you want, and it even told me it worked in our CTAs. Here, let me see if I can find one that, I'm not going to click through it right now, but it did say it worked in my CTAs for me. So if you want it to be different, maybe you don't want hashtags, which I personally don't use hashtags anymore. I find my videos do better without them. Maybe you want it to be more detailed in the caption. So the CTA is pretty short. So I personally would want more details on this specific softball drill because those do really well, kind of describing everything. But I love that it has the hook here, right? How awesome is that? And I love just everything about this. So it went ahead and planned out, several weeks for me. And then what you could do is you could use, you could assign it. If you have a team, you can have due dates for yourself to get it done. You can add labels to it. So you can add a label or a tag. So that way, maybe you add tags for whatever platforms, or maybe you add a tag that says used, done, and then you can mark it complete. And then what I love about this is we can go ahead and start repeating and recycling some of this content. And that way we just have a plan. So it could get to a point where this is showing weeks. Can we do months? Let's try months. I think I actually like this even better personally. I like seeing this. So it skipped Tuesdays. And so I think it might have been because, actually, I don't know why. So what I would do is I would go back into the prompt and say, hey, you skipped Tuesdays, go ahead and add something to Tuesday. And it's just going to go in there and do it for you. I mean, you could say to it, oh my gosh, you know what you could do? You could say to Claude, go into the Asana project and create a task for, Joan, and assign her to go ahead and get these scheduled. Like you could literally tell Claude to go do that and it would go into Asana and do that for you. Drop the mic. Okay. It's just awesome. So if you're watching this right now and you're thinking, okay, this is awesome, but I need a full strategy here, right? Kimberly, I don't understand all the pieces. I don't understand how to have a comprehensive brand. I want to monetize my brand or make more, and I'm really struggling, especially with social media. That's my jam. I can actually do an audit for you. I just had a call with someone and I said, look, you are way too focused on your product. We have to rework your thinking around this. Let's develop you, the brand. And now we have a full plan for her. And I'd love to extend the same to you. So look below the episode and you'll see a spot where you can apply for an audit with me. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe. I don't want you missing any of this content. And I can't wait to hear how you use Claude in your business. Browse the other videos that we just dropped because there are more tutorials that are also just as mind-blowing and awesome that are going to help you crush your business. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, get lit in your business and set your soul on fire. We'll see you soon.